What do you know about Nevada Energy other than they sell you electricity? Do you know how much they charge you per kilowatt hour? Do you know what a kilowatt hour is? Were you aware of the energy rate increase in 2022 and 2023? Have you ever added up how much of your hard-earned money that you've already paid to Nevada Energy? Have you ever considered how much more money you'll end up sending to Nevada Energy's corporate fund? I'm sure Warren Buffett needs that money more than you do. Do you know what tiered electricity rates look like? They penalize you for using the product that you're buying. Said another way, if you don't conserve heavily, you're taxed heavily. When you're a monopoly, you can do these things. Hopefully the point I'm trying to make is somewhat clear. Your Nevada Energy plan isn't very good today, and it's going to be even worse in the future. So what should you do? What can you do? Be a smart person. Get the facts about solar options. Most people know very little about solar, and what they think they know is typically not accurate. Unless you're happy with sending all your money to the Nevada Energy Corporate Fund, get the facts about solar. Why keep lighting your money on fire? Still not sure? Did you know Nevada Energy increased their rates by 6% in October of 22? Did you know that they increased their rates by an additional 14% in January of 2023? Did you know that they agreed to drop the rates by 2.9% for July and August just because they knew people would struggle to afford the peak months? Still a total jump of 17% from the year before, and in September, the full 20% rate increase will be back. Oh yeah, in January of 2024, there's already an additional rate increase in line. I feel like I've led the horse to water by now. The rest is up to you. Get the facts, get the solar facts today at Energy Up Solar. Log on to energyupsolar.com, get the facts, stop burning your money.